Hello, welcome to Day 1, Geneva International Motor Show 2017. Usually the press is only allowed here, but today, welcome to you as well. We just ended the day actually about 30 minutes ago, and now we have a special kind of VIP feeling. Let's first start with these two big guys right here. Got the Kodiak Sportline and Scout. Great looks thanks to specially designed features, both outside and inside. 4 engines available, 2 TSI petrol engines and 2 TDI diesels ranging from 150 to 190 horsepower. Let's move on to the Octavia Combi. And in this one, we got something, a magnetic flashlight. Yeah. Oh, my arms are so tired. Maybe I'll just push this to close the door. Oh, yeah. I'll use the force. Here we go. Superb Combi. Most powerful Škoda you get, and some actually believe it's the most beautiful. The impressive Škoda Superb Sportline. Sporty design, black wheels, details, 15 millimeters lower, 4-wheel drive. Fastest Škoda with 280 horsepower, 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.8 seconds. And we just look at that new infotainment system. Let's look at this little rocket here. Newly designed front end for a wider appearance. Sporty interior. New interior. And in even the smallest Škoda, you'll find an umbrella under the front seat. Whenever you want to be a gentleman on those rainy dates. Here we go, we got the Rapids. Rapid Spaceback. Sporty and efficient, 1.0 liter TSI engine. Newly upgraded interior that includes Wi-Fi hotspot. Newly designed front part and rear for the Rapid. Right over here, you'll see Rally Fabia R5. World champion. This is also available for your everyday consumer for about 180 to 200,000 euros. Right behind you, you've got virtual reality. Let's take this secret tunnel right here. Škoda Connect. You've got this great infotainment center set up. You can organize the temperature of your car prior to entering it. You can set your car horn going if you want to find where you're parked. You can monitor your children's speed or someone's speed of your car. Basically, you can organize your car like it's your phone. Very connected now. Right here, the big guns. Here they are, the new Škoda Octavia Scout and RS 245, a class of their own. Robust design, off-road look. Silver-colored underbody protection, front and rear. Molding on bumpers, wheels, arches, door sills, rough road packages included in standard equipment. LED daytime running lights and C-shaped LED rear lights. Come check out this rear. RS 245. Fastest Octavia of all times. 245 horsepower, 6.6 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Modern chassis with electronically regulated VAQ limited slip differential. The car is lowered by 15 millimeters, dramatic 19-inch alloy wheels. Let's go to the Škoda boutique. We'll head upstairs to the get a balcony view. Stairs always mean you're on your way up. Business, top floor. Yes. This beautiful booth took 20 days to build. 100 people. Manpower. It all comes together for this moment of glory.